right, my video ran out on me. So I want to finish up so you can see what we're doing. So you put this in the calculator. I always put it in at one time. So it'd be 42.7. I don't put the 1 in because 1's not going to affect it. Times 2 times 160. Remember, this right here is the molar mass of iron oxide. To get from moles to grams, you have to multiply by the molar mass. Okay, so 56, and then you're to divide all that by 56 times 4. So your answer should be 61 grams of Fe2O3. So notice what I did. I converted, let me get me a different highlighter here. I converted the amount of iron that I was given to the amount of iron oxide that would be produced. All right, let's work another problem. All right, so let's go and look at, here's another problem, all right? So I want to start with step 1, write a balanced equation. How many grams of KCl is produced from 2.5 grams of K with excess Cl? Don't worry about what that word excess means. So I'm taking potassium plus chlorine, and I'm producing KCl. All right, you need to balance it. So put a 2 and put a 2. Now I've got a balanced reaction. All right, so that's step 1. Step 2, always write down our given. So I am given 2.5 grams of potassium. Step 3, is this in moles? Grams is not moles. So to get out of grams, I have to divide by the molar mass. So 1 mole of K equals 39 grams of K. Notice that grams are gone and I'm in moles. All right, this step right here, remember, this comes from the balanced equation, and I'm looking for those coefficients. I want my want and my given. So how many grams of KCl? So this is what I want. So 2 moles of KCl. Yes, I know it wants it in grams, but these numbers right here are molar ratios. I was given right here K. So I've got 2 moles of K. All right. Notice moles of K are gone, and I am in moles of KCl. My question wants grams. So now that I'm going to do my last step. Okay, my last step is going to be to convert the moles of KCl to grams. So you get the molar mass, so 39 plus 35. I know I'm rounding. So 74 grams of KCl equals 1 mole. Notice that's gone, and put it all in the calculator. I hit control divide and I say 2.5 times 2 times 74, arrow down, and that's 39 times 2. And then I hit control enter, and I get a total of 4.74 grams of KCl. So what I found out is that from having 2.5 grams of potassium, I can make 4.74 grams of KCl. So going back to my ham sandwich example, I gave you an amount of ham for you to determine the amount of ham sandwiches. This is exactly what we're doing. Think of, this is the amount of ham I have, and this is the sandwich that I want to make. What do I have, and how much can I make from that? All right, so we're going to go in a little bit more depth today, but I wanted to do this as an introductory video.